Want to know a secret that could skyrocket your video content game? Discover how a simple app can transform your recordings and set you on a path to video mastery. Welcome to episode 4 of Concept to Video Content. If you've been with us from the start, you've already learned about script writing, lighting, and audio. Today, we're taking a step further into the realm of efficiency in content creation for our agents here at Sellstate Alliance. Our focus will be on mastering the teleprompter, a tool that can significantly cut down your recording time and help you to deliver a message in just a couple takes. You can apply this technique with any text you wish to read. For iPhone users, I recommend Teleprompter by AppQ Technologies. It's not available for Android, but a simple search in your App Store or Google Play will reveal plenty of alternatives, each with unique features. I choose this app for its one-time $10 access fee, in comparison with others that may require subscriptions or offer only temporary access. Now, I haven't found a completely free option, but please feel free to share one if you have it. Now, let's make sure you have your script ready to copy it so you can paste it into the app. I use my email to send myself the script as the email body. On an iPhone with Gmail, you just need to select your script text you received in the email and select the forwarding option and stop there. This will change the text from readable to editable. And now you can click and hold on the screen on your phone and you'll be able to select all and then copy the text so that it's ready to paste into the app. Now that your script is copied, open the teleprompter app, navigate to add new script. Here, you'll title your script, say episode 4, and paste your copied text into the designated box. Little tip, adding periods at the start and end can delay the scroll, giving you time to comfortably begin and end your script. Click the arrow to confirm your script and you're set to record. Here you will choose a format. The 9:16 vertical format is ideal for platforms like Reels and TikTok, and before you hit record, just consider adjusting the text size and layout to minimize eye movement, keeping in mind the camera's distance from your face. The scroll speed is crucial. I set mine to 55 to 58, but adjust accordingly to your reading pace. With your script and settings fine-tuned, you're now ready to press record. A brief countdown will precede the scrolling text. Once done, stop the recording, and for now, save your video. We'll delve into editing with CapCut in the next episode, a topic I'm honestly really excited about and I get questions often about. Let's jump in, share your progress, and tap into Sellstate Alliance's supportive community for growth. And feel free to drop questions below. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember, success starts here with Sellstate Alliance Realty.